Rhythm is a very fundamental part of music. Last lesson you learned about the most basic steps of getting to know and understand rhythm. However, musicians around the world often feel that things aren't as complex as it could be. So they decided to take it up a notch and bring on non-integer values for note length.
Cool it, Kermit. We've learned how to count 1 beat, 2 beats, and even taught you how to count half a beat. But what if you want to count 1.5 beats? Well, this is where these curved lines and dots come in. They may look like printing errors on the score, but trust me, they make music playing a whole lot more exciting.
So about those so-called misprints. Firstly, a dot adds half the note value to the note. Let's assume once again that the value of a semi-brief is 4 counts.
If you add a dot to a crotchet, it becomes 1.5 counts. And if you see a dotted minim, it has a value of 3 counts.
Now how many counts is a dotted quiver? Pause the video and take a moment to ponder about it. That's right, it is 3/4 of a count.
Next up, we have ties. What ties do is that they join notes of the same pitch. So when we tie a crotchet to another crotchet, we hold it for 2 counts. When we tie a quaver to a semiquaver, we play it for 3/4 of a count.
Now test yourself. If we tie a quaver to a quaver to a quaver, how many counts do we hold it for? Pause the video again to ponder about it. That's right, we play it for 1.5 counts.
So now you may be thinking, what's the point of having both dots and ties? Don't they do the same thing of extending the note length?
Nah man, you see notes can actually be tied across bars. Pretty nifty, right? Whereas dots can only extend a note within the same bar. Dull and boring. So we've come to the end of the lesson. Your assignment will be to...
Hold up man, didn't you freak out over something in the last video? I distinctly remember it being semiquaver variations.
Who would even freak out over such a small thing? I don't think that was me, man. You got it all wrong.
Oh yeah, you did? The viewers will testify. Well, to help you out, we can use ties to derive these semiquaver variations. It'll be a piece of cake. Let's look at these 4 semiquavers. They make up 1 count. If you put a tie on the first 2 semiquavers, you get the rhythm 1 and a.
And if you tie the last 2 semiquavers, you get 1 EN. Am I right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes!
There are also other semiquaver variations, such as these on the screen, and we'll leave it up to you to derive them.
We can also use dots to represent these variations, but using ties to derive them would be simpler for all of us.
As a final test to consolidate your knowledge on basic rhythms, let's count this rhythm together.
It goes like this: 1, a 2, and 4.
That's right, and with that, we've come to the end of the video. Now that you've learned to count rhythms with ties and dots, you'll be able to count almost any rhythm in the world.
In the meantime, you can go tell everybody that you have learned how to count out loud.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. We hope to see you next time.